Hi, Annette from Information Services again with another Google Suites video. Are you looking for a safe and easy way to make a video conference call? Do you have a Google account? Then I recommend trying Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing service that is very similar to Zoom, but it incorporates Google encryption security, so you don't have to worry about anyone just jumping in on your call. You're able to make the calls from your computer or from a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet. And if those are not options for you and you only have a landline, you can call into the conference call. You're also able to change the layout, you're able to share your screen with others, and you can even record the call if this is meant to be a training. So today we're just going to go over some of the basics and let's go ahead and get started. Once you get into Gmail, there are two ways to access Google Meet. One, and the quickest way, is to access it from the menu bar on the left. Under Meet, if you click on Start a Meeting, that is Google Meet. The other way is to go to the Google Apps icon in the top right. If you hover over that, you'll see Google Apps. Just click on that, and then click on the Meet icon. Now, once you're in, you would just click on Start a Meeting. Your browser will then ask you for permission to access your microphone. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to let it access the microphone. So I'm going to say don't allow, but usually you would allow. And if you have a built-in camera, it'll ask you if you could just use, if it's going to ask you for access to that camera. Just click allow. And there you go. So you'll see a preview window like this. Now, once you get in here, you'll just click on Join Now. And now you would want to add people. Now, there are two ways to add people to this call. You can click on Copy Info and a link with instructions about how to access this Gmail account. And I'll go ahead and show you that by going back to the Gmail account. And then you could just paste it. I'm just going to do Control V. And as you can see, to join the meeting, click on this link. And so when they get sent this email, they can just click on the link and it'll take them to the call. Or you can just add people by email. So if you just click on Add People, you can type out their email and you can put as many people as you want in the call. And there you go. That is starting a conference call in Google Meet. Joining a conference call is pretty simple. All you need to do is log into your Gmail account and go to the email where you were sent the invitation to join. So that's this email right here. And as you can see, you have two options. One, you can click on this link. So if you're on a computer or on a device that has a camera and a microphone, this would be the option to go with. Now, if you cannot access the call for whatever reason on a smartphone or tablet or on a computer, you can call from a landline. So all you need to do is dial this number that they provide and type in this PIN when prompted. For the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and click on the link. And as you can see, similar to when we started a conference call, the browser will ask for access to the microphone. And again, for this video, I'm going to say don't allow, but usually you would say allow. And now the browser is asking for access to the camera. And I'm going to say allow. Hello again. Now from here, all you need to do is click Ask to Join. Now at this point, the host is going to see that you're asking to join and will need to approve you. And this is how Google protects your privacy. Not just anyone with the link can jump into your call. And so the host will need to know who you are before you jump in. So if you ever have a private conference call, you don't have to worry about outsiders jumping in with just the link. And there you go. That is joining a conference call. So now that you are in your conference call, there are a couple of things you need to know. So if you move your mouse a little bit, this menu over here at the bottom will appear. So on the far left, you have meeting details. If you want to add more people, you can send them the link, or you could copy the joining meet info and you could put that into an email if you'd like. Over here in the center, you can mute yourself or unmute yourself. This is really important to know, especially if you're talking to a lot of different people. You'll hear a lot of feedback from where they're at. So it could just be that they're at home and there are some noises from home. I always recommend that you tell people, especially if they're not the main speaker, to go ahead and mute themselves. Over here in the center, you can leave the call if you need to. And of course, as long as you have that link, you can quickly jump back into the call. So if it's a really long conference call that's going on for a couple of hours, you can leave and come back. Here you can turn the camera off or on. So if you don't want to be seen, you can click on that and your initial will appear. And if you want the camera to come back, just click on it again and your browser will ask permission again, say allow, and there you go, you're back. Now over here you have turn on captions. This is only for English. So if you turn on the captions, it won't translate foreign languages to English. It's just going to give you captions for an English speaker. Now over here on the right, or to the right of turn on captions, you have present now. Now this is where you would go to share your screen. Now there are two options when you click on present now. You can click on entire screen or window. So if you choose entire screen, people will be able to see everything, be able to see your whole process. So if you're demonstrating something, this would be really good because you'll be able to show people from start to finish. Alternatively, you can choose window. Window will limit your viewers to just what you want them to see. So for example, I choose window. I have this option that pops up. I select a window or screen. I can choose this PDF that I have open. I'm going to click on allow. And so now our audience will only be able to see this PDF that I have open and nothing else. So even if I move to a different window, they won't be able to see anything. They'll only be able to see this PDF. And if I'm done with it, I'm just going to go back to the call. I'm going to click on you are presenting and I'm going to click on stop presenting. And there you go, that's sharing your screen. Now over here you have more options, just click on that. You can change your layout. So if you'd like, you have these three main options where in the center you have the main window and then you see the participants on the right. You have spotlight. This is where whoever's speaking will be seen in the center. And then you have tiled. This is the Brady Bunch option. You'll be able to see all the participants all at once. Now up here, or let's go back to options here. You have full screen. Click on full screen. And as you can see, it's just this phone call. You don't have to, if you don't want distractions from anything else, this is an option. And to get out of it, just click on escape on your keyboard. And going back to options, the last thing is click on settings. Now this is really important because people who have trouble in their phone calls, this is a place that they should go to first. And it's usually a problem of what microphone to use. So for example, if you have headphones with a microphone, sometimes it's not as great as say an internal microphone. So you can change which microphone to use. So this is the headset that I have, and then this is my internal microphone. Same thing with your video. If you plugged in, say, a webcam, you can choose that, or if you have a built-in webcam, you can choose that. There's also a way to connect to use a webcam or to use your phone as a webcam and just to link it to your computer. So you can talk from your computer, but you could use your phone as a webcam. We go ahead and click on done. And then finally, up here, you can see who's participating. You can chat. So if everyone is muted except for the speaker, this is a place where they can talk. Does anyone have any questions? And whoever is participating in the chat will be able to, or participating in this call will be able to see the chat. And then if you want to get out of this, just click on your face or click on the main window here. And then also you can change who you see. So right now I'm seeing myself, or I can see who I'm talking to, which is this raccoon. And there you go. That is Google Meet in a nutshell. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please contact the Information Services Department. You can email us at wellmail3@minlib.net, or you can live chat with us from Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. Just go to our library website, which is wellesleyfreelibrary.org, and click on the little chat icon at the bottom right, and you'll be put in direct contact with an information services librarian. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.